Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we are going to be unboxing this Dash Everyday Griddle. It's an extra large one and the dimension is 20 by 10.5 True Glide non-stick cooking surface. So I got this from Sam's Club and it was a pretty good deal. It was like around $24, $25. And I'm gonna be mainly using this for pancakes. I was gonna get a waffle pancake maker, but this is more useful because you can do other things in the griddle. So let's pull it up. So as you can see, you can make like sausages and so let's check it out. So here's like the oil spill thing. Let's pull this up. Pull that out, channel. So it comes with this spill thing that you can clean. Let's see the bottom. So the bottom looks like this, and it comes with this cord. You're going to plug this over here. So I've plugged this piece just like that. It's very easy, and it came with an instruction, recipes inside, everyday griddle. Let's see. So there you go, the base, drip tray, drip outlet, non-slip feet, control probe socket, and then the temperature dial control. So there, dial 1, this is the dial, 200 degrees for dial 1. So this is the arrow. So if off, dial 1 is 200, 250 is 2, 300 is 3, 350 is 4, and 400 is 5. So set the griddle on a clean, stable, dry surface. Unwind the cord. That's pretty easy. Cooking precautions. The base of the griddle and nonstick will both be hot when in use. Metal utensils may damage the stick surface. Instead, use silicone, nylon, or wood. The nonstick cooking spray helps food easily from the nonstick cooking surface. So here are the recipes. Let's check here. Do not submerge. Maintenance, so it's pretty easy to maintain. So just unplug it and make sure it's cool before cleaning it. Drip tray can be removed. There you go. So it says here, do not submerge the outlet. Wait for this surface to cool. Oh, you just have to wipe it down with a cloth or sponge. Dip in warm soapy water. Okay. So there's some recipe guide. So there's some yogurt pancake, Southwest breakfast scramble, classic cheeseburger, make chicken quesadilla, rosemary steaks, fajitas, beef fajitas. I think that was pictured over here, the beef fajitas. So that is our unboxing for today. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.